Hey guys, I'm back. Happy Valentine's Day to anyone who celebrates. Me and my friends were gonna do like a Galentines Day, so today's going to be a get ready with me for Galentines. So let's get into it. I even painted my nails like Valentine's Day's color, like pink and red. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, first we're gonna start off with some foundation. I've never tried this foundation before, but I saw a bunch of people use it and they said it was like really good. So we're gonna try it for the first time. I'm just gonna put some here. Okay, I think the foundation shade was kind of dark, so I'm gonna add some of my old one. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this finishing powder and just like blend. Okay, now I'm gonna add some concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some bronzer. I'm gonna add some blush, my favorite. Now I'm gonna add some powder. Okay, I look crazy, but trust the process. I think some even got in my nose. And now we're gonna do some eyeshadow. Okay, next we're gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna do it off camera. Mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna blend all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna add some highlight. I have it in my hand. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lip liner. Lip gloss. This one's almost finished. Okay, I'm gonna add some extra concealer. Okay, I'm gonna add some more blush. Okay, I think the look is done. Now I'm just gonna add some setting spray. Hey guys, this is the makeup. Now I'm just gonna fix up my hair. Okay, now I'm gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna curl it. It's already curled, but I want it to be like more curly, so we're gonna curl it. I'm just gonna put some in the back, so. Okay, now I'm just gonna curl my hair. Okay, I curled the bottom. Now we're just gonna curl the tied parts. So Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my curling again and then curl like the bottom of it like this. And I just want to put some oil in my hair. Okay, finishing touch is some spray. Hey guys, this is the hair. It's kind of like crazy right now. Next, let's get to the outfit. Okay, I kind of switched my hair a little bit because like the straightening was looking a bit off. But yeah, this is the new hair. Hey guys, this is the outfit. I had a dress, but I think it's like too gold for it, so I decided to go with something kind of what I saw on Pinterest. It's more comfy, cozy, but still like cute, so yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Here's the look. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day and keep up for more.